My name is Kerry King, and I lead the research and development team at Spoonflower. We're an e-commerce company that specializes in digital printing of fabric, wallpaper, and home decor products. We're headquartered in Durham, North Carolina. And one of the things that we strive to do as a company is connect independent surface designers and artists with makers and DIY enthusiasts and also interior designers. We think of ourselves as driving the creative economy, and as such, we offer an extensive marketplace of surface designs, and we pair that with digital manufacturing technology. Like me, several of my R&D teammates are also proud members of AATCC, and we're excited to submit a Spoonflower tea towel to the 100th anniversary time capsule. This particular design was created by Cecilia Muck, who's one of thousands of participants in our design community, and she was actually the first place winner in our 2021 Tea Towel Design Challenge. This is something that we do every year at Spoonflower, and it's really a key part of who we are and really representative of the products that we offer. The design was digitally printed with pigment inks on our linen cotton canvas, and then it was digitally cut and hemmed. Within our operation, we process thousands of order items on a given day, and this is an example of one of those items that was produced on demand in our Durham facility. We're excited to offer this as our contribution to the 100th anniversary time capsule. We hope that when the capsule's open, maybe 100 years from now, that this will be a great representation of where we are as an industry.